A detective arrives at a crime scene. Evidence everywhere. But evidence of being at the scene is not evidence of committing the crime. Correlation is not causation. Welcome to the investigation. Ice cream sale and drowning both rise in summer. Confounder, temperature causes both. In biology, genes A and B both elevated in cancer. Does a cause B, or does a third factor cause both? A detective draws a theory, arrows from cause to effect. A directed acyclic graph. Every variable is a node. Every causal relationship is an arrow. Drawing the DAG determines what to adjust for. A confounder causes both exposure and outcome. Fork structure. Temperature causes ice cream and drowning. Adjust for temperature and the spurious association disappears. Collider caused by both exposure and outcome. Hospitalization caused by heart disease and diabetes. Among hospitalized patients, they appear negatively correlated. Berkson's paradox. Never adjust for colliders. 3 rules. Chains, condition on middle to block. Forks, condition on common cause to block. Colliders, don't condition. Conditioning opens the path. Correlation finds suspects. Confounders are false leads. Colliders are traps. DAGs encode theory. D-separation reads the paths. Next, investigation tools.